selfish right now. You said yourself you'd be breaking every vow. I can understand you're tired of this town, and I'm not saying that we have to settle down now. Just remember this: we could have been stardust, same world but without us. Something made us find each other out there, made us realize we're more than just stardust. Ignore this fact if you must.
Hello guys, welcome back. Happy Friday. I literally just wrapped up work, and when I tell you it's going to be a busy little evening here today is Travis's birthday, and I wasn't going to do anything today on his actual birthday because we were going to celebrate tomorrow, going out to dinner with his mom, with Carter, our youngest, and just kind of have a small little intimate birthday dinner. But I said to myself, today's his actual birthday and I just cannot not do anything because that's just not in me. So I have 3 hours because he's at work and he'll be home in about 3 hours. I normally buy like cakes from a bakery for birthdays because that's like the little special thing. Like I like to get, cute little birthday cakes from like just the little small businesses and stuff like that. But this was so last minute that I planned this. So today, let me take a sip of my tea. This is peppermint tea, and I love peppermint tea. Also, it's good for like when you're feeling a little nauseous or have a slight headache. Peppermint tea kind of cures that. But because I had no time to order him a cake today on his actual birthday, I'm going to make good old box birthday cake. It's strawberry cake and cream cheese frosting. And I bought some strawberries, which I'm going to go ahead and put on top of the cake. And I was almost going to buy him. I saw this at the store. There were these cute, adorable little candy daisies. So I was going to put the strawberries and then daisies all over the cake. But then I said, Marisol, take it back a notch. He is a guy, and I doubt that not that he would care, but I doubt that he would want such a little girly cake. So I didn't get the daisies. I'm just going to decorate it with fresh strawberries. So it's kind of like a semi-homemade cake. I'm going to run with it. So I'm going to make that for him. And also I found this recipe on TikTok, which looks so good. And I've had a couple of my friends make this and they said it's really good. It's that TikTok spaghetti that they kind of mix Alfredo and marinara. I've heard it's really good. So I had all the ingredients here at the house, so I'm going to make that for him. And then I also baked homemade bread yesterday, which it's posted on my channel. So if you guys want to know how to make this bread, make it. So I'm going to toast that up in the oven today. I had some leftover and just sprinkle a little bit of garlic salt, a little bit of olive oil and stuff like that and make it all delicious and yummy. And then I bought him a present. It's not the ideal wow present, but it's a practical and something that's going to come to good use. He has been wanting... Well, he has one, but I think it's broken. It doesn't work. He wanted a weed eater. So I went to Home Depot this week and picked him up a weed eater for his birthday gift. So nothing going to be like, whoa, but it's going to be something that he'll put to great use. So while I'm sipping on my coffee, I'm going to take like 10 minutes to myself since I just wrapped up work and then get in the kitchen and we're going to start making the cake. That way it has time to cool and I can frost it. To cake making we go. I think I told you guys earlier that I was sipping on coffee. It's tea, guys, tea. I'm so used to drinking coffee that it just automatically, that's what I'm used to saying, but it's actually tea that I'm drinking. And here is the box cake that I'll be making for him. Out of all box cake brands, this is my favorite, Duncan Hines. I think they come out so moist. So I absolutely love this brand. And then I got him the cream cheese frosting to frost it. So I need to get going because I don't want to run out of time and him walk up on me while I'm in the middle of making his cake. And I want to have dinner mostly done. It should be quick, pretty easy to make. So I think I can do this within this 2.5, 3 hour window that I have. So let's get to making some cake. wrapping the gift. And I will say this is by far the worst gift I've ever wrapped. It was too big and I didn't know how to attack that. So I wrapped it, patched it. It looks good. It was wrapped with love. Oh, and Carter, our youngest, got his dad some little treats. We couldn't find a birthday gift bag. So let me show you what we did. Nice. Here it goes. He gets a Merry Christmas bag. Hey, whatever works, right? So we wrapped it in a Christmas bag with yellow tissue paper. It doesn't match, but it's okay. That gift has character. Right, Carter? Right. And also, this cake is flopped. This is the pan that I had. It's one of these pans that are wide. So by doing so, the cake is just one layer and look how thin it is. So I have it upside down here cooling and we're just gonna make do, guys. Okay, so the gift is wrapped, cake is cooling. Now I just washed some strawberries and I'm gonna go ahead and cut those up so they're ready to go once I'm ready to ice the cake. And then we're gonna put the happy birthday banner up and then I'm gonna start making the spaghetti. And then once I have the spaghetti done, all I have to do is stick it in the oven and bake it with mozzarella cheese on top and it should be good to go. And then he should be arriving here shortly. So I think I'm doing good on time. It's 4:33 right now. So I have an hour and a half to get all this done, clean up, and then he can come home and we can enjoy his little birthday. And then we're just gonna have a cozy little evening at home, relaxing.
I was telling a lie. It's been a long day for sure. How could I resist your smile? Can we move on as before? I could wait for 1,000 years, but it won't do us any good.
Okay, we are slowly checking everything off of our to-do list. And I'm about to ice the cake and add the little strawberries, candles, and make it look all cutesy. And I'm gonna put it on the table. The only thing is my cake is so flat. Look at this. It's on the cooling rack. And I think it's because I used a pan that was kind of large, more bigger, so it couldn't rise much versus if I had a smaller pan. But we're gonna make do. It's gonna look cute. It's the thought that counts. And I know he's gonna appreciate it a lot. And once we put the little fresh strawberries on it with candles, it's gonna look really pretty. So I'm gonna start icing the cake so we can just get this out of the way and then start dinner.
Let me be close to you forever, ever, darling. You're my sweetheart.
I'm gonna make this TikTok spaghetti recipe that has gone viral, and I've had a few of my friends try it and they said it's really, really good. And I've also watched a couple YouTube mukbang channels and they've attempted it and they said it's really good. So I want to try it because who doesn't love Alfredo? Who doesn't love marinara? So I think when the two marry together, it must taste really, really good. And I'm going to top it with mozzarella cheese and bake it in the oven until it becomes nice and bubbly, and it's done. It's super, super, super easy. So before I start this, I have been thinking lately, I want to try HelloFresh. I thought it was super expensive, but I went online this week and I picked two meals for the week. So I'm just ordering two meals that feed up to four people. And they have all these discount codes out there. One of the YouTubers that I watch, she has a paid sponsorship with HelloFresh, and I used her code. I didn't order it yet. I just put it in there to see what the total would be. So for two meals, two separate dinners, and each dinner feeds up to four people, it came out to $27 with tax. And if you think about it, it's really not that expensive, because if you go out to eat just two people, I mean, to a Chick-fil-A or a restaurant, you're going to spend about 30 something dollars. And if you pay the $27, you're getting two dinners, feeds up to four people, and possibly have chances of having leftovers if only two or three people are eating. So I'm honestly going to go ahead and try that, because the reason I say this is because I get in such a rut that I'm so busy working. I'm tired. Sometimes I'm not feeling like I'm not in the mood to get in that kitchen and start cooking. So, or I run out of ideas what to eat. So I feel like that we get in a rut, and I'm constantly thinking, okay, what are we gonna have for dinner today? Or I don't want to eat that again. So I'm gonna try it just one time and see how it goes and see if it's good, because all the ingredients are there. The only thing that you need to add is your protein, unless you get like the vegetarian options. But I'm definitely going to try it. I'm excited. I think I'm going to order it next week for sure. And then that way I don't have to keep up with it. I can at least try it. If I like it, it gives me different dinner ideas. And then if I like something, I can go ahead and get the ingredients myself and make it. But I think it's not a bad deal if you're using discount codes. I wouldn't pay the full price for this stuff, but I'm gonna give it a try, and I will be doing a video vlog on it and giving you my honest opinion, because I need ideas sometimes. As much as I love cooking, you do get like in a rut and you just run out of ideas, or you're eating the same foods again, or you don't want to cook. So I think this will kind of inspire me a little bit more to get in the kitchen and experiment, depending on what meals are delivered. But I'm going to get 2 deliveries a week, and hopefully they turn out good, because I'm looking forward to it. So I'll let you know, keep you guys posted on that. So let's get started on this TikTok viral spaghetti recipe that I've seen out there. And I'm going to have this recipe, the link in my description box, so that way if you guys want to try it, you're more than welcome to. But we're going to give you our honest opinion on how good it is, or it may not be good. So we'll
can't let you go, baby. I just want to tell you that no, yeah. All of my friends say, girl, you better take care, 'cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And go deep down, I know I might be headed for teardrops. Now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No, 'cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go, baby. I gotta tell you that I've been looking for love so true. When I was down and out, along came you. Though you might be a liar and a cheat too, I just can't quit you now, 'cause I love you. Yes, I do.
Now the spaghetti is baking away in the oven, and now we wait for the birthday boy. Surprise!
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds.
Did it go straight to the roof this time?
Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground.
Look at the birthday boy.
You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. can take me high. I can see the sun staring at you when you make that smile. I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow. And I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly.
He likes his present.
I don't need anybody.
1 out of 10. What do you guys think of the TikTok spaghetti recipe? You?
8.
You?
It was muy
Delicioso.
delicioso.
Carter? What delicioso?
Delicioso.
No, say sí.
See?
I would be making that recipe again for sure. I will say I am not a big marinara fan. I mean, I'll eat pasta with marinara, but the Alfredo cuts down on that tomato flavor that I'm not too crazy about. So it was a hit. It is worth all the hype. I enjoyed it, and I will definitely be making it again. Okay, guys, I am going to close out the vlog. I've had such a good time hanging out with you, and the birthday boy is pooped. How old are you? Tell YouTube, the YouTube streets, how old you are.
28.
Stop lying. Tell them.
48?
He's 52, guys.
I am not 52.
You are 52.
No, I'm not. 48.
I'm just kidding. He's
48.
He's 48.
48.
And he's married to a 30-year-old. But we are going to close out, or more, I am going to close out the vlog because I am tired. I've worked all day and been planning his little birthday all afternoon and evening. So we had a good time, but I'm going to say goodnight, and I cannot wait to see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without